Hi everyone. Today we're doing questions involving money, and Louie's here to help us out.
Yeah.
So Louie, we're gonna do this much plus this
That.
much. So can you count out the top amount here for us?
So this is $1.
Yeah.
This is 70 cents.
70 cents, so 7 dimes there, yeah.
And this is 5 cents.
Okay, so we have $1.75.
75.
And then we're gonna add, how much are we gonna add here?
It's 1.26.
So $1.20 and then 6 pennies, which is 6 cents. So
Yeah.
$1.26. Okay. How do you want to do this?
Regrouping?
Okay. Do you want to so you want to do the pennies first?
Yeah, the pennies first,
Then the dimes.
and then the dollars.
Okay, so let's just work on this. I'm going to put a little line here, okay? So we're going to do the pennies first. So we have 5 pennies plus 5 pennies plus another penny. So 5 plus 6. How many pennies is that going to give us?
It's 11.
It's 11 cents. But I'm going to, you know what? I'm going to swap out these 10 pennies for actually a dime.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and do that. And Louie, can you write something down here to record what we just did?
Sure. So 1 here.
Oh, yeah, so we have the 11 cents down here, but we'll leave the penny, but we'll bring the dime back up here. Okay, so where's the dime up here? Can you add a little dime up there?
Little 1.
Okay, so now we have this many dimes to add up. So we have 7, 8, plus 2.
It's 10.
Yeah, and if I put it like this, you can maybe see it a little bit easier because we have 5 dimes and 5 dimes. So that's $1. Okay,
So let's put a 0 here.
Okay, and let me just trade this in, all these dimes, for a loonie.
Then we put a line here.
Well, yeah, because we have the loonie here, but we can't leave it down there, so we move it up.
Yeah, so 1 here.
Okay, and then we're going to go 1 plus 1 plus 1
equals 3.
Okay, and so I'll move these down. Okay.
Oh, sorry, 3.
Yeah, and let's put the 3 right underneath of here. And then we will put the 0 right underneath. Let's just clean this up a little bit so that everyone can see it, okay? So we'll just keep everything in line.
Oh, yeah.
Just so that it's clear to everyone, right? So we did 5 plus 6 is 11, and we carried the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 2 more would give us...
give us 10, but we're going to put a 0 there, and then we put a 1 there.
Okay, and then we have 3.
Yeah.
And we have 301 here too, right? So $1.75 plus $1.26 equals
$3.01.
Perfecto.
Thank you. Bye.
Hi everyone. Today Anna's going to tell us how she does $1.75 plus $1.26 and how she sees this in her mind. So I already have $1.75 out and I have $1.26. So to figure this out, we need to figure out the total amount here. So how do you want to do that?
Well, I'm going to split the groups up. I think I'm first going to add $1.
Oh, okay. So you're actually going to do this then. I'm going to guess what you're going to do. So you're going to split this to $1.25 and 1 penny, right?
You are correct.
Because it's already like sort of here, right? There's the dollar, there's the 25 cents, and there's the penny. So let's start off with a number line here so that people can really see how these things add together. So we're going to start off with $1.75.
Now you're going to add $1.
Okay, so once I add this dollar, so plus $1, what do I get?
You get $2.75.
Okay, and then I'm going to add this quarter.
And then you get $3.
All right, and then I have this 1 penny.
You add a little penny, and then you get $3.01 with $3.01.
Okay, $3.01. So $1.75 plus $1.26 equals $3.01. Perfect.
Thanks. Bye, everyone.